Tauora has been running for 6 years. It's been a great initiative for our staff. We have over 50% of our staff that participate. It's all about competition, it's highly competitive, but it exists so that we can be better kaiko or better kaimahi and ensure the success of our tauira.
And what better examples of success than these rohe champions who participated in the Tauora program throughout the year. With more than half of the wānanga staff joining in the Tauora Challenge, it boiled down to 17 individuals and teams from the wānanga who attended the Black Tie Awards ceremony.
Tonight we would like to acknowledge the teams that achieved the ultimate challenge of placing first in the various streams of the nikoi.
There were personal stories of transformation, kaimahi who had committed themselves to carving a new Tauora pathway to better health. Waireki's greatest sporting legend All Black captain, Buck Shelford, shared his personal hauora journey to inspire the wānanga whānau.
Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but the moments that take our breath away. Interesting, isn't it? And just makes you think about life. And the thing is, I've totally slowed down a bit in my life.
Life has indeed changed for Buck's teammate.
I heard the brother over here, I call him my brother, Buck Shelford. We go back a long way since we played on the field. There's hundreds of benefits. I'm more active, I'm more alive, running around the park, things like that.
Sapola Paris stole the limelight.
I'm gonna let it shine, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine.
I think the awards help acknowledge not just individuals but the initiative Tauora and what it's doing to transform lives of not only kaimahi, because if it's one kaimahi there's a whānau behind them and a hapori behind them, the community. So I believe that the awards are there to serve a purpose, and that's to acknowledge the changes that are occurring daily, every month, every year within our organisation.
Without further ado, te whānau, please congratulate Whakaihuwaka o Tauora, champion for 2014, no te Whakaioia, Hine Moana jury.
Thank you everybody. I'd like to accept it on behalf of our rohe. To me they embody what Tauora is all about, working towards healthier lifestyles for future generations. So thank you again. Kia ora.
Tauora is not just a program for Māori, it's actually a program for New Zealand, and in 5 years' time it's going to be the preferred brand of well-being. So when you think of well-being, you're going to think of Tauora. That's how I see Tauora looking in 5 years' time.
Have an awesome night, dance a lot, laugh a lot, be happy. Kia ora te whānau.
Ko taka maipi, te wānanga o Aotearoa.